guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my another video. So yes, you have noted down already. Yes, it is a Raksha Bandhan makeup look. I'm doing this makeup look in a minimal product. I mean in a very less product, whichever I want to. I'm not using every product. So you can see this look. Even I have not used much. So if you wish to watch this video, please be in video. I would like to share with my product details. Sorry, not product detail. Which product I'm using, the way I'm using, the way I do my makeup. So please be into this video. So before starting this makeup look, I would like to advise you that before starting 15 minutes of your makeup, just prep your skin. Prep in the sense, just put a moisturizer, good moisturizer, and a lip balm. So today I'll do this. I'll prep my skin with this Neutrogena Hydro Boost moisturizer. It is in a gel based form and it really keep my skin very healthy and keep my skin very moist. And for this I will for lip balm I will use this NY lip balm. I'm preparing my skin and I'll come back to you soon. I have prepped my skin and even my lip too. Now the first step of this is a primer for this makeup look. So I'm using this Swiss Beauty Pearl Primer. I'll take this tube pump in my hand or in my palm. I have applied in a dot wise over all my face and I'll smoothly rub on my face skin of my face. So primer get very nicely absorb in my skin, and whatever I'm applying, it really get a good finishing, and it will repair my skin very nicely. And this whatever things I'm applying on my face, it will not affect on my skin after applying this. Okay, so I'm done with my primer. Now I'll go with the concealer because I don't want to go with the many products. I just want to do a minimal products. I want to use a minimal products. So I'll just use a very less amount of products and I'll show you. So this this is a Maybelline concealer and the shade is 25 medium. I'll apply all over my dark circles, my bridge of my nose, forehead, chin part, and wherever I feel I have a dark spot, I'll apply there. And I'll pat with this beauty blender. It is not wet, it is not like a little bit wet, and I'll take this point and I'll blend like this on my eyes area. This pointed is basically for corner of my eyes. I have blended my face very nicely. Now I have applied concealer. Now we'll lock this with the help of powder, and I have this Swiss Beauty compact powder. Wherever I applied my concealer, I will lock with this help of brush. And it is a matte finishing, if not a shimmery based powder. Just take in a brush and just apply this in this way. So I have applied my powder. Now we'll use this blush. It's completely optional if you want to use or not, but I love to blush my cheeks. So I'm using this Sugar palette. This is the blush. I'll take on my brush bit of amount and apply in this portion. Bridge of my nose, It is also an highlighter of my face area, chin, cupid, and brows. I mean upside of the brows. These are called highlighted area. So if we highlight, your face look really decent and get good look. Before going to head towards this eyeshadows, I would like to draw my eyebrows with this. I would like to fill my eyebrows with this pencil, the help of this, and it is from Miss Claire, brown color. Firstly, I will fill in this mid of that. I'll give borderline, upper base, and a downside base, and I fill the middle one. I'll do this back of my camera and get back to you soon. Spoolie, I would like to brush my eyebrows and give a good shape. This pencil is very useful. It has another side of this as a spoolie to give brush to our eyebrows and give a good shape like this way. Amazing product, I liked it. Yeah, so done with my eyebrow. So the next part of this, actually guys, I don't want to apply eyebrow, as I said, minimal product, but I don't wish to apply eyeshadows. So directly I'm going to an liner, and for this product I'm using this Color Bar brown shade. Back of the camera I'm apply, and I'll come get back to you soon. Applied my kajal in a upper base and this down base of my eyes. Now I will apply this eyeshadow from Miss Claire in the corner of my eyes. The shade I don't know, but yeah, this one I'll take in my brush. Just apply in the corner of my eyes. And the end of the same. Let me know how it look like this. Same way I'll do in another eyes, and I'll back to you soon. I've done this eyeshadow in inner corner of my eyes and this outside, but that's what I've done. And again I'll apply this highlight of this eyebrows with the help of this angle brush. Now the last step of this, and my favorite, lipstick. So I'm going to apply this Lakme 925 in a peach color, I guess. Yeah, it is a peach part. The shade is then a bit of orange, I can say. So guys, this is the final look. It really take very hard time to get ready, and it's completely up to you how much time you take, what the product you are using, what you don't want to use. It's completely up to you. I have used as much I want, and I want to look. So basically it's completely up to you. So I'll dress up, wear my jewelry, and get back to you soon, guys. So guys, this is my final look. Hope you have liked this look, and I've shared all the products which I have used in this video. And for me it really take hardly 15 to 20 minutes. It's completely up to you which product you are using, which you don't want to. And the thing, yeah, that's it. I've explained in my video. So yes, please, if you like my video, please give me a big thumbs up to my video. If you're new here, do subscribe to my channel and do follow my Instagram account. Love you guys.